Hey YouTube, this is Abdel Carfix with a new video. Simple, easy, quick. And I'll make it this way. We're changing the Serpentine belt on this 2012 Hyundai Alentra 1.8 16 dual overhead cam. This is the belt, and we're changing it simply. One of the simplest and easiest belt to change. You got one bolt. You start with this one right here on the side. If you can see it, that one. You start with that bottom. You lose it just a couple of turns, and you do this one right here on top, couple of turns, and then you got a screw here, 12 mil. That at 12, that one 12, and the one in here it's 14. 14, 12, and 12. You loosen it. The alternator will drop down, and then you take the belt out. You put the new belt in. Okay, you put the new belt in, and then you just tied that bolt until put tension on it, the tension that you feel like it's good, kind of maybe a quarter of an inch deflection, not more, and then you snug 1, 2 bolts, and that should do it. Easy and simple, guys. Have a good day. Save yourself a lot of money. Belt's about 25 bucks at AutoZone, and you don't have to be a mechanic. 75, 150 bucks or whatever for labor. Have a good day. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.